Question 18 asks, assuming that the incidence of peanut allergies in children in daycare centers in Connecticut is the same as the national rate, find the mean and the standard deviation for the binomial random variable, x. First, we use the mean equation, which is the mean equals the sample number multiplied by the percentage of children in this case. Our sample number is 1,275 children, and our percentage is 0.01. Next, to find the standard deviation, we use the equation square root of n times p times parentheses 1 minus p. After we get this equation, we then plug in, so it would be the square root of 1,275 multiplied by 0.01 multiplied by 0.99. Then our mean would equal 12.75, and our standard deviation would be 3.55. And if we look back at number 18, the answer would be letter D. Question 19 asks, if the researcher observed 24 children in the Connecticut daycare study with peanut allergies, would you believe that the incidence of peanut allergies in these daycare centers is actually higher than the national rate of 1%? In order to solve question 19, we have to find the z-score. We use the equation z-score equals variable x minus the mean over the standard deviation. When we plug in our numbers, we do 24 children for variable x minus 12.75, which is our mean, over 3.55, which is our standard deviation. When we calculate that, our z-score comes out to 3.17. Because our z-score is greater than 3, that means it is unusual. Looking back at question 19, if we look at letter A, it fits the correct answer because yes, observing 24 children with peanut allergies in the sample is more than 3 standard deviations from the mean, and this is highly unlikely. Question 28 asks to construct a 90% confidence interval for the mean, the true mean nicotine content per cigarette of this new brand. Assume the population of nicotine measurements is approximately normal. Next, we take our calculator and we go to our lists and spreadsheets and we plug in the numbers that are right above question 28. After that, we create a new document. We choose calculator, we go down to statistics, and we go down to confidence intervals. We go to T interval. Our input method is data. We choose the list name that we put in our data, and we change the C level to 0.9. When we plug in, we see that our C lower is 25.02 and our C upper is 26.87. And if we look back at question 28, that would be letter D.